In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove StreamYard Watermark. If you've noticed a small duck logo on your broadcasts, that's StreamYard's watermark, and it appears on the free plan. The only way to remove it is to upgrade to a paid plan. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can stream without the logo and keep your brand front and center. Start by logging in to your StreamYard account in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account you use for streaming, especially if you manage multiple profiles or brands. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on My Account. If you don't immediately see that label, it may appear under your avatar or profile icon in the same area. Next, open your billing section. Click Billing to view your current plan and subscription options. This is where you'll manage upgrades and see what's included in each tier. Now choose Change Plan. This button takes you to the available paid plans, so you can compare and decide what best matches your needs. You'll see options like Core and Advanced. Take a moment to review the features and pricing shown on the screen. Consider how you stream today and what you might need soon. Things like recording limits, destinations, or branding controls. Pick the plan that aligns with your workflow and budget. When you're ready, complete payment. Enter your payment details carefully and confirm your subscription. If there's an option to select monthly or annual billing, choose the cadence that makes the most sense for you. Before you finalize, double-check the plan name, the billing frequency, and the total, so there are no surprises. After you confirm, give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message indicating your account is now on a paid plan. From here, you can start streaming without the StreamYard watermark. If you had StreamYard open while upgrading, refresh your dashboard to ensure the changes take effect. For the best result, start a new broadcast so your upgraded branding applies cleanly. Keep in mind that removing the watermark applies going forward. Past recordings or completed streams will keep whatever branding they had at the time. That's it. Log in, open My Account, go to Billing, change your plan, pick a paid tier, complete payment, and you're ready to stream with no watermark. If you ever need to revisit your subscription details, you can return to Billing at any time to review or adjust your plan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more professional streams with your brand in the spotlight.